Hi and welcome to Pebbles channel. So are you ready to begin today's French class? Today we are going to learn to tell the time. So today's lesson is time. So what is the question? When you want to ask what is the time, how do you ask in French? It is quelle heure est-il? What is the time? So before we answer this question, we need to know, I'm sure you already know the numbers. So we are going to refresh our memory. So to tell the time, we need to know numbers from 1 to 24. So the French people, they use the 24-hour dial. Now we say, for example, 2 p.m. but they say 14 hours. So they use the 24-hour dial. So first, let us write down the numbers from 1 to 24 in French. So write it along with me. 1 or une. So 1 is 1 or une. 2 is deux. 3 is trois. 4 is quatre. 5 is cinq. Un or une, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. 6 is six. 7. 8. 9. 10. So this is the numbers from 1 to 10. We have already learned this. This is just a recap. So un or une, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf and 10. So from 1 to 10. Next we need to write numbers from 11 to 20. So do you remember what do we say for 11? Onze. Onze. For 12, douze. 13 is treize. 14 is quatorze. Number 15 is quinze. 16 is seize. 17 is 17. 18 is 18. 19 is 19 and 20 is 20. So now we know numbers till 20. Onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize, 17, 18 19 and 20. So now we have 4 more numbers. So I told you they use the 24-hour dial. So how do you write number 21? 20 20 21. 22 is 20. 23 is 23 and 24 is 24. So since they have 24 hours in a day, so we learnt numbers from 1 to 24. So you must be thorough with these numbers in order to tell the time. So say numbers from 1 to 24 along with me. 1 or une, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24. So now you know numbers from 1 to 24. So shall we try to write the time? So I will draw a clock now. So now we will begin with what is the time? I told you how to ask that question. So now you have to answer. Take it from the question. It is 1 o'clock. So une. So why do we use une here? Because the noun er is feminine. So il est une heure. It is 1 o'clock. So now, what would you say if the clock indicates this? It is 2 o'clock. Il est 12 heures. Now, 2 hours. So, plural. Il est 12 heures. Now, the next one. So you would have guessed how the remaining comes. So when it is 3 o'clock, you say il est 3 heures. Il est 3 heures. It is 3 o'clock. Now the next one. This one you would say il est 4 heures. It is 4 o'clock. 4 heures. So it is the same. You just have to know the number. So if you know numbers from 1 till 24, there are 24 hours in a day. So numbers from 1 to 24, if you know those numbers, you can write this kind of time, the simple ones, up to midnight. So, il est 4 heures. What about 5 o'clock? We'd say il est 5 heures. Il est 5 heures. Now 6 o'clock. So you only have to replace the number with 6. Il est 6 heures. Il est 6 heures. That was 6 o'clock. Now moving on to the next one, 7 o'clock. You would say il est 7 heures. Il est 7 heures. The next one, 8 o'clock. So again il est, the number is 8. So with air, it is 8 o'clock. Then yes, il est il est 9 heures. It is 9 o'clock. The next one, it is 10 o'clock. Il est 10 heures. It is 10 o'clock. Now, when it is 11 o'clock, you would say il est 11 heures. 11. Il est 11 heures. 11 o'clock. And finally, when it is 12 o'clock, when it is 12 noon, you say il est midi. Il est midi. So when the time is 12 noon, you say il est midi. So now you know how to say the time from 1 a.m. up to 12 noon. Il est 1 heure, il est 12 heures, il est 3 heures, il est 4 heures, il est 5 heures, il est 6 heures, and so on. But when it is 12 noon, you say il est midi. Il est midi. It means the time is 12 noon. So now I'm sure you understood how to say the time from 1 a.m. to 12 noon.
Pebbles Live.